And I'll be taking you through the FoldForge application today. So today we're going to talk about customers, how to add new customers. You either go through when you're adding a new order, or you can come here and add a new customer here. So here you get to see all your customers, their details, their phone numbers. Oh yeah, you see this is individual, this is businesses, this is VIP. Then you can add new customer here as well. So the information, your email, phone number, birthday, occupation, customer type, all that. Then you can even make a subscription plan. So currently we have one here. So you can customize it however you want. You can create a new plan here, the plan name, description, price, billing. Is it weekly, monthly, yearly, inclusions? Are you washing 10 clothes for this plan? Is it 20 clothes? Is it just washing? Whatever it is, this is where you create that. So that's that for customers.